How to use TradingViews for crypto charting. Welcome everybody to online school Moneyfest. My name is Nawid Crypto. I am the leading expert in online school Moneyfest. Today we're going to have a beginner guide, a step-by-step guide, how you can analyze cryptocurrencies using TradingViews. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and watch the video. And I really want you guys to do not miss any updates about crypto world. So let's roll on. What is TradingView? It's basically the most popular charting platform that you can track price movements in cryptocurrencies, in stocks, forex, and more, because it provides a real-time data, technical analysis tools, and finally customizable charts. And it's very popular and widely used by the traders in the crypto market and making predictions, and by brokers and forex as well. So now, how we can navigate the TradingView interface. The key features in TradingViews is basically charts, because you can see the real-time price movement for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. And apart from that, you have various tools using drawing tools, indicators, and most importantly, technical analysis features. And you have the watch list. It means you can create your own custom list that you like, the favorite cryptocurrency that you want to follow. And most importantly, you have the news feed that you will stay updated with the latest market news with the news feed features of TradingView. Let's see how TradingView looks like and how does it work. As you can see, this is the TradingView that we have right now here, and here in the top part we have different time frame. You can choose your cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, and what you want. And then here you have exactly the time frame. For example, you can choose from 1 second up to 1 day and 1 year as well. For example, we will choose 1 day time frame. It's just up to us. Let's make it a bit bigger here, and let's just adjust it here. We can just adjust like this right away right here. So after that, we have your different candlesticks. You can choose the line one, or you can choose the candle. So it's up to you, but most important part is the candle, because it shows where it's opening and where it's closing right away right now. And here you have the indicators. You can choose the technical, fundamental, and finally computer indicators, which will help you, for example, how you can analyze the chart, and which help you that where you can enter and finally where you can close your deal in the crypto market. And here you have the alert. For example, I want to be alert and notified when the price hits $100,000. For example, if the Bitcoin is $100,000, I create and I will be notified. So after that, you have the option of replay, like from here, what happened with the market right away right now. In the left side, you can see that you have your tools for drawing. For example, you have the trending line. You can just draw any trending line that you want. You have, for example, your TP, or making the stop loss and take profit, like TP, take profit. And then you can draw, for example, and then you can write anything that you want. And as you can see here in the bottom part, you have again the time frame. You can choose, for example, the 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, and it's up to you which time frame that you choose. So now we have, for example, the 1 day, and we have to make it a bit even, let's say bigger. So in the right side, you can see the prices starting from the 0 and 100. So now the current price is 94,000. You can see by yourself right away here. Let's make it a bit bigger. And in the right side, you can see that you have different part, which is about that you can, for example, add your watch list. For example, you're interested only in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you just want to be notified about them. Or you can, for example, add different things that you want. Here you have the ideas, you have the news about it. For example, what's going on in the crypto market, you can just find it right away here about different news that you have inside the crypto market. So TradingView is just the all-one solution interface, which helps you with the analysis and which helps you with the best decision that you can take in the crypto market. How we can read crypto charts. Basically, it's very important to understand the basics. The first thing is the candlestick charts. As you can see here, we have the candlestick. We have the red and we have the green, because this is the most common type of chart showing the price movements. And apart from that, we have time frames. Time frame, basically it shows the different time frames using the different timing, like starting from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day. And it analyzes the short and long-term trends. And the last thing is called price trends. We have to identify whether it's an upward trend or downward trend, or simply we say bull or bear markets. Now, how we can use technical analysis tools. The main popular tools on TradingView, which is called a computer indicators, and I have my favorites here as well. Number one, moving average. It basically shows you the average price over a set of period. It helps you to identify the trend. So average price, how it's going. Is it going up or down? And you can identify the trends, whether it's upward or downward. The second one, which is my favorite computer indicators, RSI, or Relative Strength Index, because it shows and it measures if a cryptocurrency is oversold or overbought or it's in the middle. Next up, we have MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It basically shows the momentum and the trend changes. And lastly, we have support and resistance, because it has the level when the price shows to reverse. We have the resistance level here and we have the support level here. So it basically helps you with the analysis of the chart, and you can finally make a perfect decision there. Now, the last stage, how you can set alerts and you can make some forecasts or predictions. In order to make and setting the alert, you need to click on the alert button on the chart, and then you can have an alert for your desired cryptocurrency. And you can have a notifications every single time you will receive when the price reaches a certain level that you have put in the alert port. And how you can make predictions, basically you can combine technical indicators, historical data, computer indicators to finally predict the future price movements. You can use the trend lines, support and resistance levels. You can forecast and predict the potential market behavior. And with all says that, do not forget to follow Moneyfest World on social media, and every single time be updated about the crypto market and do not miss anything. I will see you in the other video. Bye.